Hi guys, it's the time of the month again where I do my monthly fixed deposit updates for all the 13 banks in Singapore, but disclaimer, all rates are accurate as of the 5th of August 2025. And for those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Darren, I'm from Singapore and I create videos on personal finance and investing. Currently, I've been updating my viewers on the latest fixed deposit rates since November 2023, so if you're someone keen in such updates, then do consider subscribing to my channel and remember to hit that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post a new video. And as I mentioned in previous videos, I have a very close friend who is working as a mortgage broker and he regularly updates me on the latest home loan rates as well. So just in case you want to refinance your property, here are some attractive rates to consider, but as mentioned, this information is accurate as of the 5th of August 2025. So if you want a fixed rate package, some attractive rates are HSBC's 1-year fixed rate package of 1.9% per annum, Maybank's 2-year fixed rate package of 1.9% per annum, and DBS's 3-year fixed rate package of 1.96% per annum. And for variable rates, well, HSBC is offering a 1-month SORA package with a 0.3% spread, and Maybank is offering a 3-month SORA package with a 0.25% spread. Just from the looks of it, it seems that mortgage rates are starting to get more and more attractive, so if your loan is out of lock-in, then it's no harm asking around for a good rate. This is not financial advice, by the way, but please, there might be a minimum loan quantum required as well. In addition, I am not a mortgage specialist and home loan rates, they change all the time, so if you wish to have more information, drop me a DM via Instagram and I can link you up with my mortgage broker friend. Okay, now let's compare the fixed deposit rates of all the 13 banks in Singapore, and I will then tell you which bank to deposit depending on how long you want your fixed deposit to mature. But before I carry on, it is also good to note that fixed deposit rates can change, and just to reiterate again, the rates that I'm mentioning in this video, they are accurate as of the 5th of August 2025. And before going through the rates, this is not financial advice, so when placing a fixed deposit, you have to be very comfortable in its tenure, because if you were to break the fixed deposit prematurely, you will not get the promised interest rate. So without further delay, let's talk about the best banks to place your money for a fixed deposit tenure of 3 months and below. Basically, if you're someone who is looking to find a short-term fixed deposit, then you can consider these 4 banks, and they are Citibank, CIMB, Bank of China, and ICBC. Let us start with Citibank first. This is Citibank's website, and you can see that we can get to enjoy a 3-month fixed deposit with an interest of 1.4% per annum for placements between $10,000 to $5 million. And if you are a Citigold client, then this rate increases to 1.5% per annum for eligible customers and 1.6% per annum for eligible accredited investor customers. This is the criteria to become an accredited investor. So if you happen to qualify, then do consider Citibank's current promotion. And if you thought that is all, then you are wrong, as Citibank is offering its Citigold private clients 1.6% per annum for 3 months and 1.7% per annum for its eligible accredited investors. Darren, what if I don't qualify to be a Citigold or Citigold private client? Don't worry lah, me also. For people like us, we can rely on the following banks instead. These are the fixed deposit rates from CIMB's website, and you can see that the bank is offering its personal banking clients 1.6% per annum for 3 months, and if you are its preferred banking client, then the rate increases to 1.65% per annum. But please take note that this is an online fixed deposit promo rate, so all placements have to be done online, and the minimum placement amount has to be $10,000 and above. And if you are not sure how to apply, head down to CIMB's website for a step-by-step guide. The third bank that you can consider will have to be the Bank of China. What I like about the Bank of China is the fact that its mobile banking promo rates are not only attractive, the minimum quantum is $500 and above. So this is very suitable for those of you with very small fixed deposit placements. Currently, the Bank of China is offering new placements 1.55% per annum for 1 month, 1.6% per annum for 2 months, and 1.7% per annum for 3 months placements. Do take note that this mobile banking promo rate is only applicable to new placements via its mobile banking app, and a savings or a current account is required to make the time deposit placement via mobile banking. The fourth bank that you can consider will have to be ICBC. So currently, ICBC is offering its clients a 1.45% per annum of interest for 1 month and 1.55% per annum for 3 months. And if your fixed deposit placement is $200,000 and above, then you'll get a higher rate of 1.5% per annum for 1 month and 1.6% per annum for 3 months. By the way guys, is this video helping you? If it is, do this brother a favor, hit the like button. This signals to YouTube that this video is very helpful, and YouTube will then start sending it to more like-minded champions like yourself. If 3 months is too short, then you might want to consider these 4 banks, and they are DBS, Citibank, Maybank, and the Bank of China. This is DBS website, and you can see that its rates above 6 months are very attractive. For 6 months, you can get 2.15% per annum, 7 months you get 2.3% per annum, 8 and 9 months you get 2.35% per annum, and for 10 and 11 months is 2.4% per annum. But here's the thing, these rates are only for fixed deposit amounts from $1,000 to $19,999. Anything above that and the rate will drop to 0.05 1.05% per annum. Hence, if your placements are $20,000 and above, then the following banks might be more suitable for you. Okay, for Citibank, right, its rates for retail banking clients is not really that attractive. You just get 1.4% per annum for 6 months, but if you are a Citigold client, the story is different already. You get to enjoy 1.6% per annum for amounts between $10,000 to $5 million, and if you are its accredited investor client, then this rate will go up to 1.7% per annum. And just to let you know, Citigold private clients get to enjoy even higher rates of 1.7% per annum for 6 months and 1.8% per annum for 6 months if they happen to be accredited investors. Anyway, I've already shared the criteria on how to be an eligible accredited investor earlier, so I'm not going to repeat myself again. Another bank that you can consider will have to be Maybank. So currently Maybank is running a deposit bundle promotion with a very attractive fixed deposit rate of 1.75% per annum for 6 months, 1.7% per annum for 9 months, and 1.65% per annum for 12 months. This placement can be made either online or in branch. This is the criteria for the bundle promotion. Every $1,000 deposited into selected Maybank current or saving accounts will entitle you to deposit $10,000 into the deposit bundle promotion, and since the minimum to deposit is $20,000, hence the minimum to deposit into the selected Maybank current or saving accounts will be $2,000. These are the list of the selected Maybank current and saving accounts. The last bank that you can consider for a medium-term fixed deposit placement will have to be the Bank of China. This is the bank's website, and as you can see, via its mobile banking promo rate, all new placements are entitled to a 1.65% per annum for 6 months with a minimum of $500, and if your minimum amount is $40,000, then this will increase to 1.7% per annum, which is attractive as well. Let us now focus our attention on banks offering attractive fixed deposit promotions for a much longer duration, and the banks are DBS, Maybank, and ICBC. This is DBS Bank's website, and for fixed deposit placements 12 months and above, you can get to enjoy a 2.45% per annum fixed deposit, but as mentioned earlier, this is only for placements from $1,000 to $19,999. And via Maybank's deposit bundle promotion, you can get to enjoy a 12 months fixed deposit with a promotional rate of 1.65% per annum, and as I mentioned earlier, this rate comes with terms and conditions, so it's not so straightforward as well. Lastly, ICBC is offering a 12 months fixed deposit with a promotional rate of 1.5% per annum via its banking promotion, and for amounts above $200,000, then the rate will be increased to 1.55% per annum. Besides fixed deposits, I would also like to draw your attention to Stand Chart's eSaver promotion. Currently from the 1st of August to the 30th of September, you can earn up to 2.2% per annum of interest on eligible deposit balances up to $2 million when you participate in this promotion, and the good thing about it is there is no lock-in period and you have the flexibility to access your funds anytime. This is how it works. So basically, there is a prevailing interest rate of 0.05% per annum on your deposits and a bonus interest rate of 2.15% per annum on any eligible incremental balances. Hence, the total interest rate on eligible incremental balance is 2.2% per annum. However, this time round, the eSaver has two rates, one for clients with wealth holdings and the other one is for clients without wealth holdings. So if you do not have any wealth holdings with Stand Chart, then sorry, the bonus interest rate will then drop to 1.75% per annum, and your total interest rate on your eligible incremental balances will then drop to 1.8% per annum. Do note that these have to be incremental fresh funds as compared to July 2025's average daily balance, and Stand Chart's definition of fresh funds simply means any funds that does not originate from any existing accounts with the bank, or funds that are not withdrawn and redeposited within 30 days of the promotional period. And as for what is the definition of a customer with wealth holdings, this is the definition. All these are taken from Stand Chart's website, so do take a look if you are keen. Another alternative will be to consider putting your funds into a cash fund account. This is a 7-day annualized return from the 5 funds offered by Tiger Broker. All 5 rates are above 1.4% per annum, but please, this is not financial advice. Please do your due diligence, and if you are not sure what a money market fund is, this is Investopedia's definition. In fact, you can find these funds via brokers such as Tiger, Momo, and Webull. And if you're new to Tiger, then good news, as you can use my SingSaver affiliate link and get to receive either $120 of Shopee vouchers or a 4-pack Apple AirTag worth $149 or $100 cash via PayNow, as long as you fund a minimum amount of $1,000 into your newly opened Tiger Broker account. This promotion is valid until the 31st of August 2025. I'll also list down the SingSaver promotions for the other 2 brokers in the description down below. All sign-ups will just help support this channel at no cost to you, but no obligation. By the way, guys, as I was doing my research, I just felt that the current fixed deposit rates are just too low. So here is another alternative. But please, this is not financial advice, as I'm a financial planner and I'm always on the lookout for higher yield for my existing clients. Hence, another product that you can consider are bonds. Currently, it's possible to buy bonds on the secondary market for yield with around 3% per annum. For instance, let's take a look at this perpetual bond from Lendlease. The coupon is 4.75%. The next call date is just 3 years away, and if it's called, then the yield will be 3.689%. What I like about bonds is the fact that you get a steady coupon every 6 months, and once the bond matures, or in this instance get called, then you get the principal amount of $250,000. Anyway, bonds are for accredited investors, and I'm just sharing lah, okay? So do your own due diligence, and if you wish to know more, you can always drop me a DM via Instagram. With that said, here is a summary of the rates mentioned earlier, and if you wish to have a PDF of the rates, then drop me a DM in Instagram. By the way, guys, I plan to make fixed deposit updates every single month, so do consider subscribing to my channel if you like such updates, and remember to hit that bell notification button to be notified once a new video is out. Bye.